Hello there everyone, welcome to Bat Ball or Bate, powered by Agami Realty. Today we are diving deep into the 2025 Asia Cup where India takes on Oman. Honestly, I feel that it's a great chance to give opportunities to players like Harshit Rana, Jitesh Sharma, Arshdeep Singh and Rinku Singh since they were sitting out in the matches against Pakistan and UAE. In fact, in matches where they're going to be taking on Oman, it's ideal to rotate the squad, manage the workload, and every athlete gets the valuable game time. And honestly, Team India will be more fresher, balanced, and well prepared for bigger clashes ahead in the tournament. So, what do you all think? Should these players get their chance? Another fun question as well. Who, according to y'all, is the legend of Indian cricket? Do let me know in the comments down below. इंडिया पाकिस्तान के एपिसोड में हाउ कम यूर ट्रू ब्लू फैन ब्रो बोलिए
both of these she had lifestyle.
सही जवाब
Did I did? So I'll answer.
बोल-
Okay. Hello there, everyone.
Well, you have seen them behind the screen and now it's your chance to see them in action. Let's ask my team what are their thoughts on the India-Oman face-off. So chale, before we start off though, let me introduce you to our amazing team. We have Trishti, Ridita, नंदिनी. अरे ये कौन है? ये तो पिछले एपिसोड में था ना, इंडिया पाकिस्तान के एपिसोड में. तो वो ट्रू ब्लू फैन है ना.
कौन है?
Let's not miss him. He's one of our crucial team members as well. He's Karthik. Let's get started now with our questions. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay. So the first question is, when did Oman start playing cricket? Was it in A 2001, B 1967, or C in 1979?
1979.
Wow.
Did you guess that or did you know that?
I guess that. I know that. Obviously, I'm a fan. That's why I'm here.
Okay, so the second question is, Jatinder Singh is leading the Oman team against India. Has he ever played for India? A, yes, at the grassroots level. B, no, he has never played for India. And yeah, two options.
C, maybe. I'm kidding. Yes, he has played for India. He has played for India.
No, he's never played for India. How come you're a true blue fan, bro? तीसरा सवाल. What makes Oman's teams unlike any other in the tournament? A, they have large percentage of expats. B, most of them were part-time cricketers with day jobs. C, both of these. D, none of these. बोलिए.
Both of these.
That is actually right, both of these. Moving on to the fourth question now. Which of Sachin Tendulkar's former teammates is the deputy coach for the Oman team? A, VVS Lakshman, B, Sulakshan Kulkarni, and C, Manoj Prabhakar. किसने पहले क्या दिखाई? नंदिनी. Okay, नंदिनी.
Sulakshan Kulkarni.
Yes. वापस सही जवाब. Moving on to the fifth question now. 4 players with origins from which Indian state have been included in the Oman squad? A, Punjab, B, Maharashtra, and C, Gujarat. Karthik.
A, Punjab.
Why do you think so?
Now again, I'll give you a reason, then you'll shout at me. So
Let him give the reason. No, after him I did.
हाँ तो आप बोलो.
After him I did.
गलत सवाल, गलत जवाब.
Let the next person answer. Okay, Gujarat. Bye.
Yes. Okay. Now the sixth question is, which team did Oman beat in their first T20 World Cup appearance? Well, was it A, Bangladesh, B, Ireland, or C, Afghanistan?
Afghanistan.
No, that's the wrong answer.
Ireland.
Oh my god, that is actually right. I'm stunned. Okay. Now let's see how much does my team know about the Asia Cup. तो पहला सवाल है, when was the Asia Cup started? A 1997, B 2006, C 1984.
Did I? I did. So I'll answer.
बोल.
Okay. 1997, if I'm not wrong.
गलत जवाब. Anyone?
1984.
सही जवाब. Okay, moving on to the second one now. Who were the 4 teams that were initially part of the Asia Cup?
We'll give two. India, Bangladesh.
पाकिस्तान, श्रीलंका.
It is सही जवाब. अब है आखिरी सवाल. देखते हैं कौन इसका सही जवाब देता है. How many teams are currently participating in the tournament? Is it A6, B8, C4? बोलो.
8.
Oh my God! I am more and more stunned. Is right answer यार कार्तिक. सही जवाब देने के लिए मुबारक आपको. So that's all for now. But
Keep catching up with Kiara.
yay!